Well, we're getting a little closer. Angie Horkan, she's in the backyard now, out of her kitchen, still keeping the social distance, but we got some great Father's Day recipes.
I do think this is a step in the right direction. At least I'm here in Madison. So yeah, I've got a couple great recipes. Perfect for the grill, perfect for June, and some of Dad's favorite cuts. So ribeye, of course. And this just has a really fun smoky paprika rub. So a lot of flavor in the rub. Actually, some chili powder, black pepper, a little cayenne, and then smoked paprika and a little sugar. And then I tossed potatoes in that same rub. So just some russet potatoes, grilled them all together, and then have a really nice sour cream. That's kind of spicy rub, but a really refreshing sour cream dipping sauce for the potatoes. Just some dairy sour cream, a little onion, and a little more paprika. And then, of course, you know, like these recipes I'm talking about today, you could swap in other steak cuts. So strip steak would be perfect in any of these, or filet, or, you know, go to the supermarket or watch the flyers and see what's on special. And then this is a porterhouse. I'm showing this because I got the T-bone next. T-bone and porterhouse are pretty much the same cut, except for that size of your tenderloin. That smaller side of your T-bone is a tenderloin, and the larger side's a strip. So I'm one of those people that dig through the case, look at all the steaks, and I find the one with the biggest tenderloin. So this recipe is just a simple salt and pepper rub on a T-bone with some grilled veggies. I just tossed them in extra virgin olive oil, a little salt and pepper. But then the awesome part about this is it's got a really easy homemade barbecue sauce. Like the kids could make this. Just a little chopped onion, melted, sauteed in butter, and then some Worcestershire, a little ketchup, and a little brown sugar. And that's about it, but it's really, really tasty. It'd be great on any of these steaks.
So the grilling, the vegetables and the meat at the same time?
Yes, so I grilled everything at the same time. I barely fit it on my grill. Don't forget your meat thermometer when you're grilling your steaks so you don't overcook them. And then visit beeftips.com, Wisconsin Beef Council website. We click on right on the homepage, At Home with Beef. We've got links to all of these recipes and all of our great grilling tips.
All right, next time we'll all be together, I think.
I hope so.
Okay. Thanks, Angie. Be well.